In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Stripe from your payment services settings. If you no longer want to process online payments through Stripe, the good news is that removing it is usually very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, sign into your account and head to your settings area. This is typically where platform-wide preferences, integrations, and payment-related options are stored. Once you're in settings, look for the section called Payment Services. This is where your connected payment methods and online payment providers are managed. After you open Payment Services, take a moment to review the list of active services connected to your account. You'll want to locate Stripe in that list. If you have multiple payment services enabled, it may help to scan carefully so you select the correct one before making any changes. Since removing a payment provider affects how online transactions are handled, it's always a good idea to double check that you're working with the right service. When you find Stripe, look for the Manage option next to it and click on that. This will open the settings or actions available specifically for the Stripe connection. From there, choose the option labeled Remove or Delete, depending on the wording shown in your system. Different platforms may use slightly different terms, but the goal is the same: disconnecting Stripe from your active payment services. Once you select Remove or Delete, you'll likely be asked to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental changes. Go ahead and confirm the removal if you're sure you want to stop using Stripe for online payments. After you confirm, Stripe will be removed and your account will no longer process online payments through that service. If your business still needs to accept online payments, make sure you have another payment provider set up so there's no interruption for your customers. And that's it. The process is simply to go to Settings, open Payment Services, find Stripe in your active services, click Manage, select Remove or Delete, and then confirm the action. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll be able to disable Stripe quickly and cleanly.